Hello student, quadratic equation class 10th. Next exercise 4.2, question number 3. Find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So let the first number be x, then second number is 27 minus x. As the condition is given that the sum of two number is 27, so in quadratic equation there is only one variable, so let the first number be x, then second number be 27 minus x. Now as per given condition, the product of these two numbers is equals to 182. So the first number is x and second is 27 minus x is equals to 182. 27x minus x square minus 182 is equals to 0 on multiplying by minus throughout. So x square minus 27x plus 182 is equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Now the highest degree term is x square and the lowest degree is 182. So we have to multiply x square and 182. So it will be 182x square. Now we have to do the factor of these this 182x square in such a way that the sum of these two factors should be minus 27 and product should be 182. So let one factor be minus of 13x and second will be minus of 14x. So if we do the sum of these two, minus 27x and product will be 182. So it will be x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equals to 0. By first 2, if we take x as common, then x minus 13 minus 14 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. So x minus 13 into x minus 14 is equals to 0. Here these are the two prime factor and the product of these two is equals to 0. So whether x minus 13 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 13 and x minus 14 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 14. So the number should be 13 and 14. Please pause the video in order. Find next question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Let the first number be x and the second number is x plus 1. These are the two consecutive number. Now as per condition, two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square. Now as per condition, square of the first number plus square of the second number, sum is equals to 365. So just open. This will be x square, a plus b whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 365. So 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equals to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equals to 0. On dividing by 2 throughout, so x square plus x minus 182 is equals to 0. Again here factor will be plus of 14x minus of 13x minus 182 is equals to 0. पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी यही फैक्टर थे 182x स्क्वायर के. देखिए from first two if we take x as common then x plus 14 and minus 13 into x plus 14 is equals to 0. So the next step x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. Here x plus 14 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to minus 14 or x minus 13 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 13. So there are two roots of the given equation. This positive integer minus 14 is not possible. So first is 14, then next x plus 1 will be 13 plus 1 that is equals to 14. So these are the two consecutive positive integer whose sum of the squares is equals to 365. Please pause the video in order. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Let the triangle be ABC, where the altitude is AB and base is BC. And hypotenuse is 13. Now what is given? Altitude of a right triangle is 7 less than its base. Let the base be x centimeter, then it will be x minus 7 centimeter. Now, so let the base of triangle be x centimeter, then the altitude is x minus 7. Now as per given condition using Pythagoras theorem, base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. Base अपन ने x माना, so x square perpendicular will be x minus 7 full square is equals to 13 square. So it will be x square x minus 7 whole square a minus b whole square, x square plus 49 minus 14x is equals to 169. So it will be 2x square plus 2x square minus of 14x plus of 49 minus 169 is equals to 0. So 2x square minus of 14x minus 120 is equals to 0. Throughout 2 से divide कर दे because here the coefficient of x square is equals to 2. So 2 से divide करेंगे तो x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now highest degree term is x square and the lowest degree term is minus 60. So minus 60 x square के ऐसे दो फैक्टर करने हैं कि सम करने पर minus 7x हो और एड करने पर, प्रोडक्ट करने पर -60x². सो -12x प्लस ऑफ 5x. These will be the two factors. So x² minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equals to 0. From first two, taking x is common, x minus 12 plus 5 x minus 12 is equals to 0. So x minus 12 into x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x minus 12 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 12, and x plus 5 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to -5. So these are the two values. So -5 is not possible because base b should be positive. So x is 12, then it will be perpendicular will be 5. So the Pythagorean triplet 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144 will be equals to 169. So in this way the base will be 12, altitude will be 5, and the hypotenuse is already given 30. Please pause the video, note down. Question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of poetry article in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each particle. So let the number of articles produced on that day be x. माना कि किसी पर्टिकुलर डे पर पोइट्री जो आर्टिकल प्रोड्यूस किए गए उनकी संख्या x है, देन द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल क्या दे रखा है, ईच आर्टिकल की जो कॉस्ट है नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल के ट्वाइस से 3 अधिक है. सो 2x plus 3. Okay, number of article on particular day produced be x, then the cost of each article will be twice of the number of article, that is twice x, and 3 more, that is 2x plus 3. Now the total cost on that day, total cost on that day be rupees 90 implies that x into 2x plus 3 will be equals to 90. So on multiplying x into 2x square plus 3x minus 90, 90 को अपन ने राइट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. यहाँ देखिए 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 2 and here 3, so we can't divide. So highest degree term 2x square, lowest degree term minus 90. So 2x square into minus 90, that is equals to minus 180x square. Minus 180x square के ऐसे दो फैक्टर करने हैं कि उनका सम जो है वो 3x हो और प्रोडक्ट माइनस 180x स्क्वायर. सो माइनस ऑफ 15x प्लस 12x सम करने पर माइनस 3x हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 2x स्क्वायर माइनस ऑफ 15x प्लस 12x माइनस 90 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, we can write here 2x square plus 12x minus 15x minus 90 is equals to 0. यहाँ से हम 2x अगर कॉमन ले तो x plus 6 minus of 15 अगर कॉमन ले तो x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ x प्लस 6 इंटू 2x minus of 15 is equals to 0. So these two prime factor multiplication is equals to 0. This will be possible whether x plus 6 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 15 is equals to 0 or both are 0. So first, if x plus 6 is equals to 0, then implies that x is equals to minus 6. This is negative quantity which is not possible. Second, 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. Implies that 2x is equals to 15, implies that x should be equals to 15 by 2, that is 7.5. So the correct option is x minus 15. सॉरी, यहाँ अपन ने एरर किया है. प्लस 15x था, माइनस 12 है. सो दिस विल बी 15 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर माइनस ऑफ 12 माइनस 12, तो यहाँ पर प्लस माइनस 6 होगा, यहाँ प्लस 15 होगा और यहाँ माइनस 6. सो इट विल बी माइनस 6, इट विल बी प्लस. सो minus 6x will be, so number of commodity will be 6. यहाँ पर this will be minus 15, so minus 15 by 2, that is minus 7. This is not possible. So number of article on particular that day, the factory will produce 6 article. So please pause the video and note down. So the next question is question number 6. There is a factory and the factory is producing number of poultry article on a particular day, let be the x, and the condition is given that the cost of each article is twice the number of article plus 3. So the cost of each article equals to 2x plus 3. Now the total cost on that day be rupees 90. So x into 2x plus 3 will be equals to 90. If we multiply x into 2x, 2x square plus 3x and 90 को राइट से अगर मैं लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर करता हूं तो माइनस 90 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म 2x स्क्वायर, लोवेस्ट डिग्री टर्म माइनस 90, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्शन माइनस 180x स्क्वायर. नाउ माइनस 180x स्क्वायर के हमें ऐसे दो फैक्टर करने कि उनका सम प्लस 3 हो और प्रोडक्ट माइनस 180. सो 15x माइनस 12x अगर प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो माइनस 180x स्क्वायर और सम करेंगे तो प्लस ऑफ 3x. सो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 15x माइनस 12x माइनस 90 इज इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ हमने 2x स्क्वायर के साथ माइनस 12x ले लिया और 15x को माइनस 19 के साथ ले लिया. 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 12x में से 2x कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ x माइनस 6, यहाँ प्लस 15 कॉमन लेंगे तो x माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ x माइनस 6 विल बी थ्रू आउट कॉमन, सो 2x प्लस 15 इज इक्वल टू 0. Here the product of these two factor is equals to 0. So whether first factor is equals to 0 or second factor is equals to 0 or both are 0. So let x minus 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 6. So this is a positive quantity. So let the company produce the number of poultry article on particular day will be 6. And second case 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to minus 15. So x will be minus 15 upon 2, that is minus 7.5. Because the poultry article cannot be a negative fractional value, so this value is not possible. So the factory should produce a number of poultry article on particular day should be x. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.